Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Christian. Today I'm going to speak about what's happening with the Bitcoin price, because Bitcoin right now is standing in a very emergency situation. Guys, yesterday we spoke about the significant to keep the Bitcoin price above the $27,000, because otherwise we're going to see big dump for the Bitcoin price, and actually it happened, that scenario. Unfortunately it happened, and we saw big dump for the Bitcoin price with the lowest point, which touched the $25,800. Obviously is not the most crucial support, the most significant support that Bitcoin has, which is the $25,200, but it's a very low price according to what we have used in the previous weeks, which was prices over $28,000 and $29,000. But right now it seems that Bitcoin is bounced from this area, which was the area of $26,200, $300, around that area. And guys, you can clearly see that with that bounce that happened, we have a formation of a fall wedge pattern. And right now we're going to see furthermore continuation of this kind of pump and break some significant points, which I'm going to analyze you in a few. We can see Bitcoin again over $27,000 and even more over into the technical price target of this falling wedge pattern. And also I'm going to analyze you the other scenario, that if this scenario won't happen, and I'm going to find a rejection of a significant resistance that I'm going to show you in a very few, where we're going to get, how low we can see the Bitcoin price. So if you would like to know all these things, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like to declare you that I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever you're going to see on this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment or any kind of trading opportunity of any kind of trading. And also guys, I would like to show you my Patreon channel, where here you're gonna find my investment portfolio, the altcoins that I'm investing right now, and especially you're gonna find buy signals, specifically low cap gems with credible potential to do from 100x up to 1000x. It's not meme coins, okay? I would like to declare that it's not meme coins. It's real projects with real utilities, but right now I remain hidden. So subsequently, when the bull run is going to come, those projects will thrive and will have massive potential to grow a lot. This is how I build my wealth, and this is where I spend most of my time to research projects like those. Okay, this is why you're going to find this info instantly by joining this group. And also you're going to have the sell signals, stake signals, access to my portfolio. You're going to find access to all my strategies, because it's really important to have a strategy. But the most important part is my Telegram VIP community, where multimillionaires included. And here you're going to have a family where you can ask, crypto family, where you would be able to ask whatever question you would like, whenever you like. And also here we discuss everything that you need to know, airdrops. We are reviewing projects. Also very soon I'm gonna involve live streams only for the Patreon members. So it's definitely a very big opportunity to upgrade your knowledge and become very successful, because my main purpose of this Patreon group is to make every single soldier that is going to join this group wealthy. Okay, so without losing more time, let's get back to our analysis, because we have lots of interesting things to cover out. Initially, I would like to speak with this basic daily chart, which, as you can clearly see, we have the most important resistance, which is the $28,000 right now. We broke it as a support that we had this blue line before a couple of weeks and before a couple of days. Right now we have it again as an important resistance, and we will need to break it to become to tend more into the bullish side. But right now, as we are remain under of it, the probabilities tend more to get at this $25,200 rather than to get upwards. But there is a big probability, guys, because this crazy bounce that happened, if we're gonna break the $27,000, this area, and we're gonna get straight to retest this resistance, because as you can clearly see, 3 times we have retested this resistance, 2 times is the support. So with this second bounce that happened here, if we're gonna get straight and retest and break the $27,000 resistance, and also the resistance of this falling wedge pattern that is forming here, which is the $27,330, around that area approximately, then guys, obviously we're gonna move straight to the upside. And if I'm gonna actually implement the technical price target, the technical price target of this falling wedge pattern, you're gonna see with yourself that we have technical price target back to $29,230, very close to the weekly resistance. Okay, as you can clearly see, here is the weekly resistance, this green line. So if we're gonna break the $27,000 and close the daily candle above the $27,000, then obviously there is a big probability tomorrow to break again to the upside. So we're gonna have definitely a bounce and a reversal situation. But there is a big probability to see a massive rejection on this $27,000 area. Okay, there is a big probability also to this scenario to happen. For me right now, the situation is 50-50. Okay, I believe, according to the fundamental, that I give, according to the fundamental, more odds to see a reversal of this situation, because we saw a massive adoption, guys, from the people when the banks which collapsed on this area, as you can know from my previous video. When the banks collapsed at that area, Bitcoin bounced, and definitely this is a historical move that we shouldn't ignore, because definitely we're gonna see with this bank crisis that we have, probably we're gonna see more banks into a collapse, and that back receipts could make the people to invest again on Bitcoin and actually pump even more the Bitcoin price. So that's why I cannot see Bitcoin breaking the $25,200. It's not impossible, because I had told you that as we are under this yellow line and over this red line, I remain bearish. But I had told you that if we're gonna break this red line, then obviously we're gonna move into a lower price, and actually we're gonna get to close this CME gap that we have here. I don't have it right now on the chart, but it's a gap between the area of $20,500, around that area. So if we're gonna break this red line, we're gonna get to straight to close this CME gap, and then subsequently we're gonna see the reversal that is supposed to happen. But I give this scenario very low probabilities to happen. And also, obviously, there is the probability to get back to this $25,200 and bounce from that point to the upside. Okay. Also, this is more probable scenario rather than come back to this $20,500 and bounce from that point. But to be honest with you, I believe the bottom is in. So I don't believe that we're gonna see Bitcoin under $20,000 again. Okay, because the adoption, because the adoption that happened at that day with the banks that collapsed. This is my main thoughts right now, and it's something that you shouldn't neglect, because if you neglect that, you could possibly get wrecked easily. Okay, it happened, and I wasn't expect that to happen, to see that kind of adoption so quickly. But this is obviously massively, because if this is gonna be real, guys, in the bull run, we're gonna see incredible numbers of the Bitcoin price, 5, 6, 7 trillions in a total market cap of the Bitcoin price, which is phenomenal. And I believe a lot that we could see, guys, Bitcoin up to $500,000 in the next bull run. So it's gonna be mind blowing if this scenario is gonna happen. So, as I told you, if we're gonna break this resistance, we're gonna get to this technical price target. Otherwise, there is a big probability to find rejection to the $27,000 and continue with another dump straight to $25,200 to retest this red zone. Okay, this is actually the scenario, and also, as you can clearly see, the Dixie is moving like crazy to the upside. That's why we saw previously this big dump. Dixie is strengthening, so we can see. So let's see what's about to happen. I believe a lot that Dixie will drop under $100, and I'm calling you this when Dixie was at that point. At $105. I have been calling you that Dixie will get under to $100 the next coming weeks, and as you can clearly see, we dropped very close to $100, and I believe that in the next coming weeks we're gonna see a continuation of this kind of path under to $100. And this is the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you have any question. I will be happy to reply. Do not forget to check my Patreon, and I will see you all in my next video. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.